healthy cooking, chicken casserole, approximate total calories, 350 per serving. This recipe contains approximately 94 grams of protein. This recipe yields 2 servings. Recipe: wagyu chicken cut into pieces, salt, pepper, 2 carrots, 1 onion, 1 sprig of celery, 1 sprig of parsley, 1 cup of Swiss chard, and 2 zucchini. Preparation: place the chicken pieces in a pot covered with water, season with salt and pepper, and bring to a boil over medium heat. Halfway through cooking, add the Swiss chard, carrots, onion, zucchini, celery, and parsley, and let it simmer until everything is cooked. Serve over 2 lightly beaten eggs. Enjoy this delicious and healthy recipe with only 350 calories per serving and 94 total protein.